Hey, crafty friends. We're going to make a cute Americana garland. I'm using Rethunk Junk in Barn Door, Farmhouse Navy, and Cloud. I'm using burlap squares that I bought at Michael's. They were already pre-cut. I'm using some painter's tape, and we're going to make some stripes. So this is the barn door. I'm painting everything that's not covered by the tape. The top part doesn't matter because that's how we're going to fold it over the twine and make the garland out of it. Now on the next ones, I'm using it. The paint goes through the burlap, so I put a plastic down so I didn't mix paint. I'm using an MDF star I had in my stash as a stencil. So I'm painting around it. You could use different size wood cutouts or stickers. I'm just using this as a stencil, so I don't care if it gets paint all over it. And then filling in the rest of it. That is Farmhouse Navy. Now I'm going to use some twine to attach all of these. I'm just making a loop, and I am laying the twine down and folding it over and hot gluing it. I am using some scraps in between, scrap fabric, some scrap lace curtains that I have cut into strips, and I'm just tying into knots in between each section of burlap. The hot glue is hot. I was using a craft stick just to fold it over. Doing the same thing with the fabric in between. So picture these in any decor. It doesn't have to be patriotic. You could do this for Easter, you could do this for Christmas, you could do this for any holiday or every day. Pick the theme you like, find something to use as a stencil, and do that instead of the flag or instead of the star. The stripes would still be cute in between. But I love primitive and I love Americana decor. So this actually in my house stays up all year round. There's different types of pendants you can use also instead of the burlap squares. So here's a picture over my door. Turned out really super cute. I ended up adding, I think, 4 of each section to make a complete garland. So I'm getting one more star done. Happy crafting!